Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Rainbow Spark and Heartopia latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you the new event in Heartopia. It's called the Rainbow First. And first of all, if you want to make the Rainbow Spark, you need to head to the pop-up store. It's right here. You can track the location and you're going to follow the guide, and you can buy the Rainbow Spark recipe from here with your wishing star. Okay, this is the Rainbow Spark recipe, and you can also buy the rainbow heart. Then you're going to go back to your home and use your stove to cook the Rainbow Spark. Wait, let me go back to my home. Okay, and I'm going to use my stove to cook the Rainbow Spark. This one. And you just need the blueberries. I'm going to start cooking. Okay, and hold on guys. Done for the Rainbow Spark. Okay, I've just unlocked the Rainbow Spark. Okay guys, and that's how we can make Rainbow Spark and Heartopia latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!